Watch. Hear me, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. Look what go on, man. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know it go. When I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. Talk the truth, no man. It can't get no more electrifying than that. No gimmicks thing na inna me game, no lollipop thing na inna it. To the way how me I represent right now. Me say, what year you have people on the internet around them mode. Vybz, Kartel and Popcaan no good. Vybz, Kartel and Popcaan no good from the man walk through the penitentiary gate or even before that on the social media. A be a boy I run and I spread some ridiculous message and I claim so well then Vybz, Kartel and the unruly boss no good. Even the boy when named CCP. Yes, what me I say aka Sir P, where I run him mouth and I give them false information and false news for them run with all over the fucking internet. But today, it was a reunited for blood clot popcorn and Gaza Nation, plus the other Gaza artists them way dead. So come now, nation people, who don't know me a concrete stepper, and anywhere me step from it shaky, it I go broke off. So watch out now, make we touch the road, with the clip them load, and we are gonna flip the script on top of that. No lollipop thing there now. We're gonna flip it again. Yes. Sure is. We sure flip the script again, nation people. No lollipop thing na inna my game, no gimmicks thing na inna it the way how me I represent. You see what me say a real way a Gaza way they ain't no other way. Yo. Them that run them mouth and I chop them mouth all night, all day. And them a claim say we popcorn there because them a see every Gaza member but them not see popcorn. You see what me I say? Alright now, guess who is back? You know what I mean? Like Smiling Jack. The unruly boss man. Better than before man. You see what me I say? The man all give all whole story or Rasclat song met man. For sure he say I'm the prefect in the class too man. She say him learn and him not forget nothing man. No gimmicks thing na inna it no lollipop thing na inna it nation people the way how me I represent right now. Furthermore, the man bring a Rasclat Rolex seat. The man they never pitch off the blood clot price. But a car not pretty. Me guarantee you that they never kin out the price on the internet for nasty nigga run with it. You see what me I say? But me know, nation people can't not pretty. You see what me I say? Because the diamond them, on the TV that show and it nearly blind eye man. You see what me I say? No gimmicks thing that they in it. You can't imagine what it do to nigga out there. Eh? These unscrupulous people who love to chat bad about Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation. Eh? And love to talk bad about popcorn and unruly boss. You see what I say? Yo, it was a reunited thing today. You see what I say? Lisa hype there. Couple ladies there. Me no know who, but me not tell no lie for nobody. But you don't see say a whole heap of picture and them shit there come forward out. You hear the world boss telling you today on the press conference. Say right now, you hear me? The whole Gaza family are go there. You see what I say? Me never hear him call Vanessa Bling name, but him call where she name Sheba and all them people, the Tommy Lee. You know what I mean? Yo, the thing crazy. And the man make you know say rap artists from Canada go there. Me no know. When you talk about rap artists in Canada, one artist alone me know and a Jake. You see what I say? Yes. I flip it again, nation people. Me say, when you talk about rap artists, Zane, one rap artist me know from Canada and a Jake. That no mean say them don't have no more. You see what I say? But just talk about what I know. Because you don't know Jake is a man well established when it comes on to rap business. And the man say, you have female rapper from America go there. A who matter? Carly B. Who matter? Nicki Minaj. Me no know. But I have to be one of them people there. You see what I say? I who him talk about in the local song what they hear. You see what I say? Ice Spice, me no know, but me know Mama Spice I got there because I see her upon the posters, she ride on a rascal bike where look like so well then. You know what I mean? I hear a ground plane business. You see what I say? And I see her upon even the bigger posters, mother mean. Likewise Skilly Bang, likewise him two son them, look at Addy and look at Vybz. Yo, Gaza Nation, the shit shell way, hotter than where LA. Let me tell you something, if you not there a bumbucklad Freedom Street, you not miss a real bumbucklad street. And let me tell you something, all of them a look out, the world boss book out, and all them a chat out, them can't stop greatness. No gimmicks thing not in it, no lollipop thing not in my game. Remember me did I tell you nation people, say yo, after the bumbucklad show, the December 31st show, you're liable to hear it, after the month finish, January, you're liable to hear say the world boss book out, yo, me nah bumbucklad laugh with it, Me say, you're liable to hear say the G book out, because guess what I go on? Right now, the G have all some bookings where you never even know because you never see no contract and them thing they sign. So nobody they ever know. And them thing they go on behind closed door. Look how much bumbucklad bookings the G are talk about what you don't know about. Eh? And members say the G the on platform I tell you say, yo, Africa on the way. And the man all even today on the press conference, the man tell the people them, yo, Africa on the way. Remember him tell you that. Say him want go Africa call him, but him don't want go 1 and 2 place in Africa, Him want deal with it like a tour, So him a travel blood clots country and country to country galore, You see what I say? No lollipop thing in my game, no gimmicks thing in it the way I represent nation people. You don't know what the general the 10-star one, no lollipop thing not about it. Eh? So I want to see all of the local jockstrap sniffers them and the Messiahs them where used to dep on the internet, plus the local shishki bag them where say them follow the rascal jockstrap fiend college. That is the vendetta boy them. Wherever push down Vybz Kartel and popcorn and Azria make it look like the man them have big fuel. Make certain I soon run with that boy. Make certain on a festive the internet with that. Make certain it go viral before me even drop that video, yeah. Cause you know me not laugh with it, you know. Boy violate Gaza, them get them head chop off with it. And one general, the 10 star wanna represent. Big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment. Big up Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Rima, the whole of Arnett Gian, the whole 12, 13, 5, 11. You know what the general, the 10 star wanna represent. What? Waterford. You know the badness go, don't it? The world boss touch the road and they click them load. Gaza Nation. Oh, cha. Oh, fuck, man. Oh,